everyone and welcome to this video. In this video I'm gonna be restoring an Leovinci SP and I'll bring you guys along for the video. As you can see, this exhaust does need some work because there is a bit of rust. The chrome on this exhaust is pretty faded out, and also I didn't show you guys this, but there are quite a few scratches. There are also quite a few dents in the chrome, and I'm gonna try to fix that. I was thinking about removing this by drilling out the rivets, but I'm gonna see how well that turns up. But the first step to this exhaust is just clean it up so I can clearly see what I'm working with. So I just finished cleaning up the exhaust. It does look a bit better, not that much, it wasn't that filthy. So because of the rust on the exhaust, I'm gonna take off this chrome cover by drilling out these rivets. That way I can also remove these dents, as you can see there. Then I'm also gonna have to cut this bit off from here and extend it, because this exhaust isn't all that original. It has been shortened a bit to fit another moped. So, drilling out these rivets proved to be a bit more challenging than I initially thought, but I was able to remove this chrome cover. This makes it a bit easier to remove all the dents that are in here. As you can see, it's really rusty inside, so I'm gonna have to do something about that. And then the exhaust. This is so bad. It's full of rust. Oh, it's really rusty right now. As you can see, that's some of the water is falling out from when I was cleaning it over there. So yeah, right now I'm just gonna sand everything, inspect the exhaust, and yeah, then I'll show you guys what has to be cut over here. just finished using my wire wheel on the exhaust to remove all the rust. As you can see, there is a small pile of rust over here. So yeah, that is finished. Now I just have to accent the exhaust over here a bit, then weld everything up, sand it, paint it of course, and the last step is then to polish up this cover, get all the dents out, and then install it back on the exhaust. Huh?
Sunday, a hot day at 88. Go Shakespeare, get thee to the beach.
So the whole welding process of the exhaust is completely finished. As you can see, it looks really good. I'm going to paint it soon, but the only problem here was that the pipe was a bit thin, so we kept on blowing a hole through there, so the weld over there didn't turn out that nice. But I'm planning on heat wrapping the exhaust, so you might not see it. Misschien wel. So that was the video. I hope you enjoyed. In the next couple of videos I will be testing out this exhaust versus the Simonini exhaust, and that was about it. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.